You've been in this situation before. You're on the road and there's nowhere you can stop that has internet access. What do? What's up? This is Steven from Digital Media Pocket Knife, giving you the tools you need to get the job done. And today what I want to talk to you about is how to have internet access anywhere that you go. Now, you may have run into the situation before where you're traveling for business or for vacation, you're on the road doing something, and you do not have internet access. You really need it. You can't find a place that has free Wi-Fi. Now, these places are few and far between these days. A lot of places give you free Wi-Fi, and you really just need to sit down, order a cup of coffee, and you're good to go. But what if you're in a situation where maybe you're a passenger in a car and you need Wi-Fi when you're on the go because it's convenient for you to work, but you need to get on the internet and you don't know how? How do you do it? I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it in this video. The only thing that you're going to need other than your laptop is a smartphone. Now, I have a Galaxy S4 here, and this little trick is going to work for most Android-based phones. Specifically, the Galaxy S4 is the model we're going to be working with here. I've done it with Galaxy S5s and S6s. Haven't tried it with the S7 yet, but it should work and the process should be the exact same. What's great about this method is that most wireless carriers actually allow you to have wireless tethering for your phones. So what that means is basically you can share the internet connection that your phone gets and share it with your computer so that your computer connects to your phone and you use the internet. Perfect if you're on the go traveling, maybe you're a passenger in the car, you need internet instantly, you need it now, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So we've got the screen recorder going here. Now what you want to do first is you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned off and your mobile network is connected. When we walk through the steps, your phone will do that for you if it isn't already set like that, but just as a heads up, it's probably the easiest. So let's do this. We'll flip down the notifications, and then we're going to click on this gear icon up top. Now, after we click on the gear, the settings are going to open, and the menu setting that you want to look for is the mobile hotspot or hotspot. Yours might be labeled tethering, but I've seen it on most phones where it's just labeled hotspot. In my case, under the connections section here, we're going to actually click on more networks. Once we click on there, we see the mobile hotspot option available. Now we see the on-off switch on the right-hand side. We'll get to that in a second. But if we click on mobile hotspot, we actually see the name of our phone's broadcasted internet connection. Now this internet connection is going to be the name of the connection that you click on your laptop in order to connect to the internet. So in my case, it's the SCH I5450E1. So if you ever see that connection when you're out and about, know that it's mine, and I'll probably kick you off my phone. So we have the option here of clicking the mobile hotspot on or off. I'm actually going to go back a screen and show you it from this point. We're going to click that off button. It's going to check the subscription status. Now, some mobile carriers require you to pay an extra fee for this. I know that my network, my provider, does not require it at this point. They may change that in the future. I think they changed it recently to where it's kind of included with everybody's package. You're going to want to check your mobile provider if this isn't working for you and see if they offer the mobile hotspot option. So in my case, as we saw on my screen, it connected to the mobile hotspot, or rather it allowed me to have that mobile hotspot turned on. So now at this point, I'm going to look at my laptop and connect to my broadcasted connection from my phone. I'm going to connect to my hotspot, my phone's hotspot. So at the top here, I'm going to click on my internet icon, and I'm going to see that my connection right here is broadcast, the SCH I5450E1. There it is, bam. I'm going to click on that. It's going to think for a second, and we're going to see here that it will be successful. What did I tell you? Works every time. So now I'm free to use the internet as I please. I actually want to stop this because it's syncing my Dropbox and I do not want to get the data charges. That's one thing you have to watch out for when you're using your mobile hotspot, is anything that you download is going to use up your data. So if you're on a data plan that's limited, you want to be careful with this. You don't want to download large files. You want to turn off your syncing services to make sure that you're not going to incur a large fee when you're done using the internet from your phone. And that's it. This is going to give you internet anywhere you are, whether you're on the go, at the park, at the beach. You're going to be able to access the internet from your laptop when you need to. Boom, done. So anyway, like this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remember, I post content regularly for you to keep your skills sharp. If you're having trouble connecting to your mobile hotspot, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see if I can help you walk through the steps and so we can get it working for you. Now, I want you to focus, take this information, and go do something productive. I'll see you next time.